What's up, guys? Okay, well, right now we're going to be in Georgia, Camden County to be exact, with Deputy Christine Newman, and she's going to pull this truck right here over for the crime of the century. Let's watch and see if we can figure out what that crime is. Also, I'd like to note, 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button. It's free. Camden County, Georgia, Deputy Christine Newman. That's where we're at right now.
On January 16th, 2022,
Also, this is from Police Vantage. Go over and give their channel a like and a subscribe.
Deputy Christine Newman in Camden County, Georgia, initiated a stop on a driver for rolling through a stop sign.
Rolling through a stop sign. Crime of the century. I'm just saying. Also, you notice it didn't pick up. The dash cam didn't pick up to show you that they, rolled through it. I'm just throwing that out there. Also, I'm not seeing stop signs.
What started as a routine violation escalated within minutes into a violent physical altercation.
I'll be at the Shell station. Hello. Hey. Does that roll down? It's dark. Yeah, your driver's license. All right, the reason why I pulled you over is you didn't stop at the stop sign.
Didn't stop at a stop sign in a parking lot. Allegedly.
She was shocked as to why she got pulled over.
She was?
She didn't even see that was a stop sign, apparently. She's like, oh.
While running Faria's information through dispatch, Newman is told over the radio that Faria's driver's license is suspended. And when she moves to address it with Faria, the situation quickly takes a turn for the worse.
Hey, Dawn!
Driving on a suspended license, really? Probably didn't. It's bullshit. They can suspend your license for literally anything.
It's Dawn! Hey! Come on, step out here for me. Because I want you to. Because I'm going to talk to you.
I can't touch you right here.
No, I want you to step out.
I'd like to think the vehicle is there's a reason why.
Yeah, I want you to step out.
But there's not a reason for me to
Because
step
I
out the
told you to
vehicle.
step out, okay? So let's not, I want you to step out because I need you to step out, okay?
I didn't have a reason.
Notice all the de-escalation. You don't.
You don't have to. Where is it stating that you have to have a...
Back over here,
Yeah,
please.
come on. Get out. Get out of the car. 11:59 Cameron, I need another unit. 40 you en route. Get out of the vehicle. I will break this window.
They will. They'll break every single window. They'll flatten tires. They'll bust out headlights and taillights. They don't care. No de-escalation.
She won't get out of the car. Get out of the car, so I'm going to break that window.
You're not going to break the window.
Cam and I'm mobile. I'll be to her in 30 seconds.
Get out of the vehicle.
Looking on you at the Shell on 40.
Get out of the vehicle right now. Oh my God.
7196 boy.
Listen to me. I really don't want to break your window. I really don't. But when
And if she breaks the window, what is she going to do? It's not like she can get her out through that window. That's not happening.
I tell you to get out of the vehicle, you are to get out of the vehicle. So get out of the vehicle.
1118
Are you kidding me?
Stop sign.
Get out of the vehicle right now.
Officer just hit the damn front of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the... Get out! Right, get out of my fucking car! Get out of the...
All this for running a stop sign and allegedly a suspended driver's license. This is what they think of you.
car! Get out! Are you kidding me? Get out!
Taser, taser, taser.
Get
And this one that keeps bopping in over here, I'm not sure who that is. If that's a ride along with this one or what, but holy hell.
Pull over now.
Get out! Dad! Put on stop! I got him, it fell.
Man.
This one is about as useless as a day is long.
They're gone.
Yeah, you don't pull him by the handcuffs for one. This one, total idiot, I swear.
You're not going to get him. Get up. Stop playing up. Get up.
Hold on to her.
I'm putting my shirt down. Get up. Right now.
I'm waiting for the good cop to stop all this shit. Not happening.
You're all right.
No, she
You take it. Come here. Walk or we'll drag you. Stop. I'll talk to you in a minute, but the way you act right now, we have to put our hands on you. Listen to me.
Sure, you
Stop.
just got here.
I know, and that's when we'll figure it out, and then I'll talk to you.
Screw me
Stop.
on the damn floor.
Okay?
I'm
Stop.
happy that you got me. Relax.
Okay.
I'm calm.
All right.
I'm calm. She threw me on the floor. I just
down.
need somebody that's not her.
All right. I got you now. Sit down. Put your feet in. Watch your head.
Can I get this?
Watch your head.
Can I get with this? Hold on. Just get my arm off. I can't get my...
1095, Major Point. Supervisor here. Already en route. All right.
This one's got me all...
All this for a stop sign violation.
Number 18, y'all need a squad. All right. You hurt?
I'm not sure yet.
Are you anything hurt you? You want medical attention
My
on the
face hurts when it kind of hit the
front of the vehicle?
ground and then the front of the vehicle.
Okay. I'm going to call you a squad, okay? Pain in the face. Alright, you got an ambulance on the way for you, okay? You good?
Yes.
I was coming.
I know. I don't know where they came from. Honestly, she would not get out of the car.
You do what you got to do, okay? She was non-compliant. You did what you had to do to get her.
I think I heard her when she was in cuffs.
This one, not fit for the job.
She's still resisting you in cuffs?
She kept saying for me to get away from her and stop. Yes, to me she was.
Okay. Well, I mean, you can tase somebody in handcuffs if they're still
I didn't
resisting.
tase her.
No,
I just
you
had my
cannot.
hands on her. And I kept saying, I don't want to break your window. Like, come on, I don't understand this. I don't want to break your window. I didn't break it.
My camera's still hot.
No, I could have. I
You don't
could
have
have.
to, you don't have to say anything, okay?
He's trying to tell you his camera's running to shut up.
Wait till Todd gets here, alright? Talk to him, see what he says, alright? You didn't see anything in the vehicle or anything, alright? Okay.
Nothing.
I don't understand if it's just spitting license or something.
She didn't even know that yet. I hadn't even had a chance to tell her.
I'm thinking there might be something else.
I just asked her to step out because I just wanted to talk to her. And she said there's no reason to. I said, yeah, I just want you to step out. And she said no. She hurt.
She's saying she don't know. She thinks she might have hurt her face when she was around or she hit the car. But she's not even saying if she's for sure hurt or not. So.
Things okay now, Mayor?
Yeah.
Everything good? That's no stuff to go there with it.
Uh-oh, here's a bald one. See this right here? I'm just saying. EMS, police, just the brotherhood.
You want to talk to her? She was refusing to get out of the car or whatever, and I guess Christy had her hands on her. She ended up on the ground, hit her head on the concrete. Also hit her head on the
No, she threw her to the ground and then threw her face into the front of that patrol car.
front of the push bar, so okay. She might have some head injury. How you doing, ma'am? My name's JD. Are you hurt anywhere?
Must be my day.
What happened?
Huh?
See, now she's smiling.
So I pulled her over for right at the stop sign right there. She rolls down the front window. She would only roll down the window just a little bit in the back, but I could see in there. And I had seen her front way, so I knew that there was only one person in it. I go up and said, "Hey, you got your driver's license?" And she handed me it. And I said, "Okay, the reason why I pulled you over," and because she didn't ask me, I said, "The reason why I pulled you over is that stop sign." She kind of looked at me. I said, "Yeah, usually it yields." And she says, "I walked back here. I thought that you're suspended." I was like, "Yeah, it's on judgment. What is it for?" Da da da. Well, I like to get them out of the car to talk to them about it. So her windows rolled down a little bit like that.
She by herself?
Mm-hmm. And I said, "Hey," I called her by her first name because I couldn't pronounce her last name. She ignored me, so I walked up there and I said, "Hey, go ahead and step out for me." She said, "Why?" I said, "Because I want you to. I want to talk to you a minute." "Why?" "I'm not going to." So she said, "I want to sit here." I said, "No, ma'am, I want you to step outside of the vehicle." She's suspended. She's not supposed to be in her anyways, right? So I just want her to step out here. And she said no. She rolled up all the windows and locked them. I finally got in the back and I said, "Please don't make me bust your window down. I don't want to have to do that to you. It's not that crucial. Please." He come. She unlocked the door, got on the FaceTime with her dad. And he comes over, he says, "Taser, taser." I back up. Then I start grabbing her out. You know, like she's holding on to the...
Okay.
And I mean, I could have, but I just wanted to get her out of the car. I just don't like to think about that first. So I get her to the ground and I break her and take her to the ground. We're trying to get her cuffs and taser again. She's screaming. And
But all she had to do, she was going to cite her for the stop sign violation and the driving on suspended. And I'm just saying, didn't have to escalate to this.
I said, "Get up." She said, "She's not grabbing me like that." So I get her up. I told her to get up. So she kept like, "Wait for me." So I grabbed her and did this and she hit her head on the front. I mean, she just wouldn't stop. And so he told me, "Christine, calm down, get away, go sit in your car," because I'm shaking. She just wouldn't get out.
No, she's not mentioning where she punched her in the face and then threw her face up against the front of that patrol car.
No, I'm just shaking up.
Let me talk to you, ma'am. So she ran your license and came back suspended, all right? There's a no judgment suspension, so it's usually like child support.
It's a bill of sale for a car that I sold in the
Okay, so
it's a bill of sale.
it's usually nothing that we really care about that much. So she was asking you to get out
Well, apparently it is, because she threw her around like a rag doll.
of the vehicle. She explained to you you can't drive, and you refused to get out of the vehicle. So she was, instead of taking you to jail for suspended license, she was actually just going to give you a citation for wherever her original stop was and let you go. But then you refused to get out of the vehicle.
All I wanted was for her to give me an information on why I need to get out of the vehicle because
But she doesn't owe you that explanation.
when she stopped me, she originally said the reason I stopped you was because of the stop sign back there, and I said okay. So then when
When we tell someone to get out of the car, we don't have to give them a reason right then and there.
Well, we don't want to tell you, "Oh, we're going to have you get out of the car because we see a gun right there."
Or, hey,
Separate you from the and then obviously you
it was
reached
not
out
a
to the gun.
hostile situation.
Well, she doesn't know that. How is she supposed to know that?
or like saying, hey, you know, you got like several felony warrants for murder. I'm not going to tell you, hey, get out of the car, you got warrants for murder.
According to Deputy Newman's arrest report, Charis Faria was charged with 4 violations: failure to obey a stop sign, window tint violation, driving with a suspended license, and misdemeanor obstruction
Window tint violation. They're going to throw everything at her now.
of a law enforcement officer. Following her arrest, Faria spent time in custody. Her attorney later raised concerns about the validity of certain charges. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation reviewed the dash cam and body camera footage from the traffic stop. Based on the evidence, a grand jury investigation was launched. On January 11th, 2023, Deputy Christine Newman was indicted on 6 charges, including 1 count of aggravated assault, 1 count of simple battery, 1 count of making a false statement, 3 counts of violation of oath by public officer. The grand jury found that Newman's official report contained a false statement, specifically her claim that Faria proceeded to resist arrest by jerking my arm in an attempt to break away from me. Video evidence contradicted this account, demonstrating that Faria had not resisted in the manner Newman described. On January 12th, 2023, Newman was fired by the Camden County Sheriff's Office. She turned herself in to the county jail, and her bond was set at $10,000. If you enjoy real police footage and breakdowns, hit that like button and subscribe for more.
So yeah, that's all I could find on that. I couldn't find any more details, case details on this one. So All we know is that she was fired from the sheriff's office. Found nothing else on her about the disposition of the case anywhere. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button. It's free. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.